Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karishma and I make videos on beauty and food. Today I've created this look, which is a simple pink matte look, which is quite crisp and something that you can wear every day if you go out, meet a friend, go to the mall, anything that you feel like. You can even just wear it at home given the current situations. I've used the Huda Beauty Nude palette, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. So I've already done my base and one eye, and I thought I will take you through the process of how to do the eye look. It's a very simple pinky eye makeup look. It's nothing glamorous, nothing shimmery, it's just crisp, and I thought I'll take you through how we do it. The palette I've used today, that is the Huda Beauty Nude palette, and I've just used 2 or 3 shades, so it's not a very complicated eye look, and I'd love to take you through it. So I'm going to start with the shade Secret in my transition area. Followed by Spanked, which is this shade in the corner, Spanked. I'm gonna take Spanked and I'm gonna put it more into the crease line and the outer corner of my eye. I'm going in with a concealer to conceal just my mobile eyelid space. I'm going in with the shade Tickle on my mobile eyelid space, the same space that we just concealed. Now I'm taking a tapered blending brush, and I'm taking the shade Spanked again, and I'm just deepening the crease. And the outer corners. And now I'm taking a clean blending brush and just blending out the edges. Now I'm going to quickly line my eyelashes, sorry. I'm using the black L'Oreal Lacquer liner. Now I'm gonna take the shade Floor, which is this shade here, and I'm just gonna darken the outer area. Give it a little more depth as well as my crease. I'm going to take the same shade and I'm going to push this on my lower lash line. With a tapered brush. Then I'll take a pencil brush and I'll smudge the kohl that I've added. Just to give it a softer look. Now I'm just gonna take the Lash Paradise and apply a coat of mascara. To finalize this look, I'm going to use the Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Bombay. And I'm just going to add a bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter under my brow. Just blend it out. And I'll finish the look with the MAC Pro Makeup Fixer. Sorry, PAC. I always mix up MAC and PAC. So that's it guys, I hope you really like this look. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you very much for taking out the time and actually spending time to view this video. I hope you liked it and time well spent. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did like my video, please put a like. Please press the like button, and if you have any comments, do mention it in the section below. Thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do press the subscribe button. All the love means a lot to me. So thank you very much. Until my next video, have a great week. Bye bye.